Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And we are watching a strong storm system approaching from the west. The associated area of low pressure and cold front will make its way into the region here during the next 24 to 36 hours, bringing the likelihood of showers and thunderstorms across the area from very late tonight through most of the day tomorrow. We do still have that risk for seeing some severe weather, as it still looks like the risk will be highest over the southern sections of the ArkLaTex, but all of us will have some risk with the, again, strongest storms moving across the southern sections of the area during the middle of the day. We'll see a second round of thunderstorms possibly bring some activity as far as severe weather to the northern part of the area later in the afternoon. So I'll show you the timing and how all this will play out as we check in with Robbins Toyota FUTURECAST. You can see that tonight the area of showers and thunderstorms probably weakening some. Will move into the western edge of the area right around sunrise tomorrow morning. That activity will continue to move to the east, and you can see the strongest part of this as it moves into the heart of the region by, say, mid to late morning, will be over areas of northwest Louisiana and east Texas south of Interstate 20. There's still some pretty good cells further to the north. The wind probably will be the biggest threat with this activity, although we will have to watch for the potential for an isolated tornado over the southern edge of the region. This first wave will move out as we go into the middle portion of the afternoon, and notice more thunderstorms developing here along the cold front. This, it looks like, will mainly impact the northern half of the area here moving into Wednesday afternoon, with some strong storms possible, especially across southwest Arkansas as we move through the afternoon. Once this wave clears, we're pretty much done with the thunderstorms. A possibility for a few areas of light rain tomorrow night over the northern edge of the area, and we probably will be socked in with quite a few clouds across the area Thursday. And notice the big blue arrows telling you it's going to become very, very windy across the region as well. In fact, take a look at the windy conditions here through the day tomorrow. Again, tonight it will be rather breezy, as you can see here with the southeasterly wind. That wind will only increase as the cold front moves in. Notice as the wind shifts, the wind also increases out of the west to around 20 to 25 miles per hour, and those gusty winds likely will stick around through Friday, the way it looks right now. Now, as far as the severe weather threats, not too concerned about hail. Wind will be our biggest concern. There's also a possibility that we could see an isolated tornado, especially across the southern half of the region. Show you this here. Rotation potential with FUTURECAST. You can see these areas of yellow and orange, definitely most widespread over southeast Texas during the morning. Notice not too much here with the activity as it moves through the ArkLaTex. We'll have to keep an eye on the southern edge of the region, and as we go through the afternoon, we will see that risk shift to the southeast of us. Doesn't look like we'll have too much of a concern for tornadoes with that second round. The main issue with that, if it becomes severe, likely will be wind, maybe a little bit of hail, but again, hail not expected to be a big concern with this particular disturbance. Now, as far as rainfall, we all need some rain as drought conditions are developing across the area. And you can see most of the region, it's a reasonable expectation to expect a half an inch to an inch. It's quite possible that some of you may get 2 inches. It's also possible that some of you may get a quarter of an inch, as it does appear as if the heaviest rain will be over the northwest and southern sections of the area. That's where the chances of seeing that 1 to 2 inches of rain likely will be highest. Now, longer range, what's going to happen is that we will see this disturbance kind of move across the country here. It's going to kind of settle into the middle of the country as we move into Thursday, and with the upper low so close to us, that's one reason why we will probably see quite a bit of cloud cover Thursday. Sunshine likely will return Friday and continue through the weekend, and with upper level ridging, a flat ridge developing here, that should warm us up just in time for Halloween. Temperatures back up into the 70s, and you can see another disturbance moving southward, and this will bring the threat for more rain during the middle part of next week, and this also will usher in some cooler temperatures. So your forecast for tonight is looking cloudy, kind of windy, and temperatures again will be above normal ahead of that cold front. Lows in the upper 60s to low 70s. Tomorrow, thunderstorms will be likely. Some could be strong to severe, especially across the southern sections of the area, as we'll see highs ahead of the rain, probably in the low 70s north to the mid to upper 70s south. That includes 77 degrees in Shreveport, 74 for the daytime high tomorrow in Texarkana. You can see further to the south, 79 in Center, 78 degrees tomorrow in both Manny as well as in Natchitoches. 10-day forecast shows that because of the clouds and the wind, probably mid-60s for highs Thursday. We'll see a windy Friday as well, with highs in the upper 60s, and then we should warm up back up close to 80 by Halloween. And then heading into next week, another better chance for some rain towards the middle of next week, as highs will eventually settle back, I should say, into the upper 60s to low 70s. Overnight lows for most of the 10-day period will be in the 50s. So it looks like a stormy Wednesday on the way, with the potential for severe weather that will be highest over the southern quarter of the area.